Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Accountitude. Here in front of us there is one question that we'll solve today. It is a problem relating to the revaluation account. Here the situation given is machinery which was appearing in the books with 1,80,000 and furniture was appearing in the books with rupees 1 lakh. On revaluation, it was found that machinery is overvalued by 20% and the total loss on realization is given to us 40,000. Now, what would be the revalued value of furniture is asked. So, for this question, I need to prepare revaluation account for which the net loss is given to me rupees 40,000. One more information which is given to me that machinery in the books was with a value of 1,80,000 which is overvalued by 20%. Now what does it meant with the 20% over here? The machinery which cost rupees 100 is overvalued for 20, so in the balance sheet it is shown with the value of 120, right? It is my if situation that we take on the basis of the percentage. If 100 stands for the cost, 20 is the overvaluation, so in the balance sheet it was appearing at a value of rupees 1 lakh 120, right? Now, but for the given question, the machinery was appearing in the balance sheet with a value of rupees 1 lakh 80,000. So, what was the overvaluation here? We need to calculate that, not the cost. The cost is not required by me because I have to prepare the revaluation account. In the revaluation account, the losses or the gains are to appear, and here 120 is the value for 180, and the 420 overvaluation I need to calculate the actual value. So it would be the cross multiplication 1,80,000 into 20 upon 120. It gives me a total loss on your machinery is of rupees 30,000. That means in the books of accounts, machinery which was shown at a value of 180 was with a higher with the amount of rupees 30,000 when its actual value was of just rupees 1 lakh and 50,000. If I have to see from here what should be the balance sheet value, that in the revaluate case, if I have to show in the balance sheet machinery value, the machinery would go with a value of rupees 1 lakh 50,000. Why 1 lakh 50,000? Because it was overvalued with 30, right? So there is a loss on machinery on revaluation of rupees 30,000, right? So that would appear, the losses would appear on the debit side of the revaluation account, because revaluation account is your nominal account. Debit all losses and expenses over here, right? So machinery have been debited for a loss of 30,000, and given in the statement was that the loss on revaluation was of rupees 40,000. So when revaluation account was total, the total of the debit side give a net loss of 40,000, right? So, out of 40,000, if 30,000 belongs to machinery, then how much loss was there on furniture? That was of rupees 10,000 here as a balancing figure, making the revaluation account tally for the credit and debit, right? So, there was a loss on the revaluation on value of furniture with rupees 10,000 here. So in the question I am asked, what is the revalued value of furniture, right? The furniture already in the books was with rupees 1 lakh, and now it have been on the loss at the time of the revaluation with 10,000. So what is the actual value that we should take it for now? The furniture which was of rupees 1 lakh, now the loss on the furniture revaluation is of 10,000, so it should be revalued at 90,000. So this is the question which we discussed, a special case of your admission for the revaluation account. Thank you Accountitude. Keep scoring, like, share and subscribe to my channel.